So we are going to try to do a speed run of pivot tables and pivot charts, and we're going to make a decent looking pivot chart in under 2 minutes. Let's do a speed run. Okay, we got our timers and everything up right here. So we're not going to click anything yet. We got the data open. That's fair game right there. So now here we go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Control A or Command A on a Mac. Then we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to go to Pivot Table. We're almost there. It's going to insert the pivot table. We got it on the side of the graphic. We're going to put gender right here in the rows. Then we're going to throw height in here, and then we're going to go to class level and put that in the Y. We're going to change this so it's not displaying the sum of everyone's gender, but the average, and there we go with the average of gender. Next, we're going to click here, and we're going to click all the way over there. This is going to change the decimals. If you're wondering how I'm doing this quickly, it's because I've done it a few times. This changes all the decimal formatting. No, there we go. Oh, it was just going so quick we couldn't do it. Now we have our pivot chart. We're about 50% due. Almost could do it in under a minute. Oh, my timer there, it worked. Now let's go here to pivot chart. We're going to add in the pivot chart. I don't like the way this is displayed, so I'm going to switch this up right here so we get it like that. That looks a lot nicer to me. We're going to click right here, and we're going to go to the Instant Format button, which I do show in my videos. This is the Instant Format button. We're missing one axis title, so we're going to click over here to axis title. Go right there, and boom, we got our axis title. We're going to pull the graphic up a little bit. We need some titles because we can't have no titles in these. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to say average height. Did I do height? I think I did, right? It is height. AVG, height of males of gender by class level. And then we go right here. We need to probably put some units on this. Let's go here to AVG height, and let's go inches. And there we are. And then down here, this is class level. And lo and behold, I'm going to do a few last things here. I got extra time right here. Why not click this, go to home, and increase font size a little bit on it because that looks a lot nicer. Let's go here, click this. I've still got time to do what I want. Click here, go to this, click here, and increase font size. We still got time, and now let's go to the color. Let's make that this color here. Go to the color here, and that's nice right there. Let's click away. Let's do our bonus, and we got the world record right there. That's it. Sub 2. Who are we challenging to this? Probably Summoning Salt. He needs to get back in. He's doing that Mike Tyson speed run, but we got this right here. World record. We didn't have our correct splits in there, but we got it. I think that was some gold splits. Nice and easy. Pivot chart done in under 2 minutes. Summoning Salt. Take this on. See if you can beat that speed run. Going back to lecture here.